Today I'm going to introduce you to Eurosoft's optimization software, BlueCell. This was developed in collaboration with the University of Technology in Vienna. It's got all sorts of special features and functionality, but this video will just cover the basics. Let's start by importing some parts. In BlueCell, we call this a sequence. Sequences are designed to be customized to suit each customer, but BlueCell is also meant to be universal. So there's close to 30 standard sequences that we've tested with our partners, so you're not tied to a specific design software. I'm going to come up here to Run Sequence and select Import. This is an import that uses a simple text file to bring in my list of parts and the information I need about them. If I want more or less information, I can add or remove columns. I can also move them around. I can sort by them, and I can even group them. Once I'm happy with my list of parts, I'm going to want to optimize it. So I simply select Optimize. When the optimization is finished, I can look at my patterns, I can modify them, and I can even see a summary of the job. I can also view reports on this job. I can see the patterns again. I could print labels for all my parts. Or maybe I even want to see what remnants I created. Now, in this example, I'll be sending my parts to a Cellco. However, like I said earlier, BlueCell is designed to be universal. We now have close to 70 post-processors set up to work with our machinery partners, and we continue to add more. Back to the demonstration. When I'm ready, I simply select Post-Process Optimization. As you can see, BlueCell tells me when it's finished. Again, there is so much more to BlueCell, and this video has really only scratched the surface of its capabilities. In future videos, we'll focus on specific features, but hopefully this gives you an idea of how you would use it on a day-to-day basis.